A very warm welcome to one and all. Kalakriti, the only cultural club of Geetam, deemed to be university, which never fails to bring out quality talent in various fields like music, dance, dramatics, creative arts, and public speaking. We are the students who have knack for various art forms gathered under one roof. The Anchoring Club. Now, what is the Anchoring Club and why should you join? The Anchoring Club is a member of the wonderful family Kalakriti. We were established about 5 years ago, and since then, we have been on the face of several events at Geetam and away from it. So, our job is to engage with the audience. This is one of the toughest jobs, but we aim to do it in style and with grace. We are more than just performers, we are seasoned orators as well. Apart from hosting events on campus, we also take part in several competitions off campus so as to enhance our skill. We've taken part in national level competitions and it brings us immense pride to me to mention our former president Annapurna won the national level debate at IIT Kharagpur. Former President Madhur and present President Pujita were the semi-finalists in IIT Kharagpur Spring Fest. If you have a passion for public speaking, for the stage and the passion to capture the audience's hearts and mind with words, then Anchoring Club is the right place for you. Come, join and enjoy the process of growing up into the perfect host and the perfect orator. I'd want to end up with our motto, no anchor, no show.
Creative arts. They say creativity is intelligence and having fun. Creative Arts of Kalakriti is one such platform which allows you to showcase your passion. Well, have you ever thought of artists who could perform on stage along with the dancers and the singers? Well, here in Creative Arts, we have such a distinct opportunity of showcasing your arts on live stage performances. You could exhibit your arts in fests where people from around the city and various other dignitaries come to see them. We have organized stalls during the Vizag Food Fests, art galleries, and workshops on writing. Writings aren't just confined to the paper or your personal notes. Creative writers here take the writings to a whole new level by collaborating the writers with arts that brings out the true writer inside out. You get to interact with people well versed in various kinds of art forms and learn and grow.
Faces, the Theatre Club. Faces is the dramatics club of Kalakriti. Sanford Meisner once said, acting is behaving truthfully under imaginary circumstances. That is how we conduct ourselves here at Faces. Action is expression. Action is bringing life to stories that are bound in words. Faces bring you the platform to sink into the shoes of your favorite character, to write and to show your prowess at making wonders out of stories on paper. We not only participate but leave a lasting impression wherever we go, be it scriptwriting, directing, or acting. To list a few of our achievements, Faces bagged the 4th place at IIT Kharagpur in 2018, 3rd place in Mono Act in 2019, 1st places in IIT Vignan, IIM, IIAM in Vishakhapatnam, and many more. We also bagged the 1st and 2nd places in Mono Act in St. Joseph's College. Faces has been performing at the prestigious International Street Play Festival, Manthan, for the past 5 years. We have been recognized by esteemed media platforms as well. This pretty much sums up our love and dedication to our art. We are a family of storytellers and fantasy dwellers, a team to root for, a force to reckon with. Go Faces!
Music Club. The Music Club of Kalakriti houses passionate music enthusiasts, each engaging with music in his or her own ways. It is this diversity among the enthusiasts that brings forth new musical experiences to the ears. Some create tunes that are new to the senses, while some blend existing tunes, thereby giving the listener a familiar yet a new experience. While our music has entertained many at Geetam, it has also done the same off campus. In the past, people like Krishna Perry, Marcus, Palan, and Dheeraj have led their bands to victory in competitions like Lakeside Dreams and others held at IIT Kharagpur. Going a few years back more, in the past we have Felix, Deep, Akhil Mahesh, whose music enthralled the rock enthusiasts of Isaac. Now what do? The pandemic has kept us all apart for months now. But that hasn't stopped any of us from picking up our instruments, singing, and putting out our music. Thanks to technology, we are currently building our stand on Instagram. Jamming online might seem tedious, but hey, it works.
The Dance Club. Dance is the hidden language of the soul. We know that there are people among you who are good with moves and have a great passion towards dance. In here, dance could be any form, Bharatnatyam to Kuchipudi and all the way to hip hop, freestyle, western, folk, and many more. We respect and showcase all of them. And we here welcome our juniors with arms wide open if you have slightest of interest and passion. We believe in learning, sharing, and growing together. How many of you have dreamt of being a part of a vivacious dance crew? Yes, you heard me right. Our team has bagged second in NIT Warangal, first in IIIT Bhubaneswar, winners of Dancing Superstar, first in IIM Vizag, and now has also been selected for Hip Hop International. Learning is fun as true passion and zeal drives through our veins. Let's burn up the floor and dance our worries away.
Now, a university is always incomplete without co curricular activities, and Kalakriti is the best means for every student to find joy as well as a platform to showcase their talent in their busy schedules. Standing apart is the only way for a great identity. Our family of 132 is getting bigger and better year by year, and it feels so great to invite the next profusion of talent into the family. And we are looking forward to a great year ahead. I would like to thank the administration for giving us an amazing opportunity to present Kalakriti.